Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Atlas blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package. We do get rear park sensing, we got a backup camera, we do get black gripped running boards with blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we do have recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and bronze cloth interior, plenty of door space, bronze accents on the door. You got floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders, you got 12 volt right there, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, parking brake, and auto stop auto start all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 51.2 kilometers. We do get a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do have our main menu, which does have settings, vehicle maintenance, phone, audio, vehicle status, towing, off-road, gauges, my view, and trip and fuel. To my right, we have tons of storage, cup holders, storage right there, and you even get storage underneath, storage with outlets, the bronze accents. You do get the leather-wrapped center console with even more storage. You have your rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, and drive modes with climate controls. You got 12 volt and more outlets there. F-150 logo with storage below. Storage right here. And we got our hill descent right there. Clicking here, you do get your backup camera, hazards, traction tune, volume, playback, play forward, mute, pause, all that jazz. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, which does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth capabilities. You also get your phone connectivities, your favorite apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you have downloaded there. Any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your normal vehicle settings, your Ford Assist, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA79175, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.